have those same shorts.
We're back!
We're back!
Press B!
Press B to jump!
We're on a new battery,
Press
so
B to jump!
we're on a new battery, so it shouldn't bring out for a
Hopefully
while.
shouldn't die.
Yeah, we should be good for a long while.
Is that one fully charged?
It's fully charged. We're A-okay. Ready? We're A-okay and ready to play, so
That's
let's
his
go.
name, fully charged.
We should record like an audio intro for these videos.
We should. It's game time!
Or just like I was thinking like
gay talking? No!
It's, oh, you mean as in like
Gaming
as in the
time with the whip of
popsicle?
the Midwest.
As in the popsicle?
Who killed him?
I did.
No! But... That's fine.
No, he's doing well.
If I kill you, I'm gonna laugh.
Yeah, he's died. He's died.
That was like, I'm gonna go to bed now. That glowy thing, I'm gonna get it. I don't think
How?
worth it.
I was
The heck?
I was dual wielding, and I found it.
Oh, don't swear, Sam.
I said heck.
I was kidding. Just
Watch
kidding.
your language.
There's small children watching this.
No!
They're like, ooh, a Halo game. I'll click on it.
No.
Halo. No, nowadays kids are probably like, "What's Halo?"
They're more like Fortnite is where it's at.
Yeah, why are these guys
I
playing
hate
this?
that game.
Look at these crappy graphics. You don't even drop in.
You didn't even drop in from a school bus.
The heck? This isn't cool gameplay.
You don't zoom on down in Main Street in this game.
Nope. Get out of here. Get out of here.
No!
That wasn't me. They got
Oh,
this
it was
going
definitely
now.
Sam. It was definitely Sam. I found another special place.
That death was hilarious.
As he's already
I'm at
dead.
5 deaths. Sam's at 10. You're at 15, Reese. I should say kills. Why did I say deaths? It's a giant shooty thing. Yeah, I wonder if you can play with it. Probably
no,
not.
but it is an anti-aircraft missile thing.
Well, none of us are in an aircraft. Ooh, somebody's shooting at me. Ooh,
I
it's
am-
Reese.
I am elevated though, or I was.
Yeah, don't kill me. Don't kill me, mate.
Oh, okay.
Who killed him? Did
I was legitimately trying.
who killed
Kyle
him?
killed me.
I did.
Kyle killed him? Oh, damn.
If you're saying who killed him, and Kyle is the only other person playing,
I'm like the Ross Perot of this game, so I don't know.
just like, wait, Kyle killed him? What? I forgot he was here.
I'm gonna take one of your. I'm gonna take one of your wins away, and you're never gonna forgive me.
No, I'll be very proud. Because it means you will have been inaugurated into the
I killed Sam.
Halo Club.
Dang it.
I'm at 7 now.
That's not bad.
Yeah, you're actually catching up. You're only 3 behind Sam.
Uh-oh, I'm only 3 behind Sam.
That means you're a target.
Oh,
That means I'm a target. Ooh, somebody's shooting at me. I'm just gonna shoot haphazardly. Someone
Dang
keeps
it.
shooting at me.
I'm not shooting at you.
Alright, that's probably Sam then.
Well, he's dead, so...
For now.
For the
There's
time.
someone in the distance. Oh, it's Sam. What up, mate? Oh, I'm out of bullets. Well, that's awkward. That's alright. I have bullets now.
It's funny, when you kill someone while they're reloading, the achievement you get is called Reload This.
Reload this.
reload your face. Oh.
With sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
Sam,
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. Chow down.
Brought you a knuckle sandwich.
So cheesy.
That's great. I love it.
Woedum the game.
Who just
Oh,
killed
dude, if we had a video game, that'd be amazing.
me? Oh,
You have to hunt down Doc Pep.
And your default weapon is a Camus Fizz app.
You shake it up and throw it, and it just explodes. Or you shake it up and open it and use it as a projectile weapon.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
And then you unlock a
Right next, right next to your face, you missed me, boy.
Then you unlock a Samsung Galaxy Note 7.
No, it's a trap. You
It
literally,
burns.
you put down that, and then it just starts like
They,
fizzling.
it starts ringing, and they pick it up, and it
It's
burns
a
them.
baby. It's
not quite yet,
fun,
but
I
baby.
almost died. I was so close.
Oh, you did for a second there. Ah, well. Wishes, wishes.
Why don't somebody come at
Wishful
me?
thinking.
I want to see somebody try and kill me now.
What do you call what I'm doing?
I fell down. I followed. Oh, I fly it and fall it again.
Fly it and fallen.
It's 1912 to 7. And ooh, a shooty thingy. All right,
Oh.
something's burning.
Something's
That'd be me.
Ah, no, smells like a barbecue.
Do I
it's
smell
you.
overcooked grease? Somebody left it in for 15 minutes too
Sam
long.
killed me. I thought that was you. Okay.
I was trying to, but he had a rocket launcher, so he just kind of stole my kill.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, that might control this invincibility does none of it.
Jumped over your kick. Punch.
No! No!
Okay, the only reason Sam got that kill is because he fell off the couch.
The only reason Reese got that kill.
See, this is why we should have
Yeah,
this
the
game.
only reason he didn't get that kill was because he fell off the couch.
Yeah, honestly.
Yes.
I shall have
That and I shot him.
Oh, someone's behind me.
Stupid!
Oh, someone's behind me.
Whee!
Dang it.
I know your tricks.
No!
Like,
No!
What?
No!
Boy, by the way, that's boy spelled B-W-A-H. Bois.
Or B-O-I. Boy!
Boy.
You don't know how to spell.
No, I'm saying bois.
Bois.
I killed you?
Yeah, you did.
Can I kill
that?
Bois?
With your grenade.
Oh,
You blew
okay.
me up.
I'll take that. I'm at 8
I'll
kills.
take it.
Can I kill Bois?
I'm doing twice as better. I don't know, maybe I did overestimate my power.
Or underestimated. Where are you?
Where am I? I'm right here. Oh wait, that's Sam. Alright, I'm dead.
No! Yep. I threw a
my
I
friends?
threw a stickler right there.
Want to know.
So, yeah, I noticed.
That's a grenade that sticks to the wall and then shrapnel's out. A
Where
shrapnel
are my
grenade actually is what I meant.
Yeah, I should have ran out
It's
of
a
there.
fragmentation grenade.
Shut up.
What?
Doesn't matter.
That's what it is.
Doesn't matter.
Those are the grenades that shoot shrapnel.
Oh, it's a one-shot thingy, okay. Whatever.
This rock is my friend, Sam. He protects me from all harm.
No!
Oh, nice, Kyle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should have jumped, dude.
I should have jumped. If I jumped,
Jump, Kyle,
if I
jump!
jumped and shot the gun, that would have been amazing.
Oh.
It would have been a jump kill.
Jump kill.
Jump kick.
That would be sweet, is if you could kick in midair, kick
Yeah.
people in the head.
Uh-huh. Hijacks the vehicle.
You can hijack
You can
it.
do that. Because I hijacked it. If you get close enough and hold the right bumper, you'll hijack it from him.
Yep.
Because
Huh.
I did that from Sam. That's how I got
Cool.
Yep. Can't believe you didn't know this, Cal. Do your homework. Jeez.
Keep in mind, I have
it. I
never,
thought you researched
keep
this
in mind,
game.
I have never played this game
No!
before until now, and I have 9 kills. So I'm pretty. Oh,
You are not having luck with this thing, Sam.
I hate this map.
I almost died!
Yeah, I cut my grenade. To your face!
Alright, well, you won't be able to fly that again, so.
Well, it hovers technically. Oh, you're wrong.
It flies. Ooh, hold dual wield. Okay. Hold X to do. Oh.
Oh, baby!
I mean, I almost pressed X to doubt, but oh, I guess it's true.
Where?
Plot twist.
Plot twist. He's been dual wielding the whole time.
I highly doubt that.
Invisible! Invisibility!
That was painful to watch. How do I have 10 kills? Someone's
Can
right
we
there.
get some like slow jazz to play over this?
Oh, you know exactly what piece of music I'm gonna play to put. Should I just put jazz music as the background music of this entire thing?
Super relaxing.
Uh-huh.
Meanwhile, we're just.
I'll just
Oh, I just ran into explosive
Let's
barrels.
just do some cool vibes.
We're gonna send out all those cool vibes to our listeners. Ooh,
Oh, that-
double kill.
That was fun to watch right now.
Some chill vibes.
Dang it!
You swagglers.
Ended your spree. I was on a spree, okay?
Press B to flip ghost.
Yep, you can flip it over. You're super strong.
Because it was strong.
I'm at 11.
I'm at 21. Fight me.
Come at me, bro.
That's Siri right there. Boom! No! That was for the last kill!
I just chucked a grenade at your chest.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Oh, that was the last kill. I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
My
Oh my
bad.
goodness.
Dang.
Let's see. What's another good map? Ooh, Narrows.
Ooh, Sandra. Ooh, Snowbound. Ooh, the pit. Ooh,
Shut Let's try Narrows. If I remember what this one is properly.
Oh.
This one is pretty cool, I believe.
Yeah, I know this one. And I know where the best weapon is. I think. If it's what I'm thinking.
I believe this one is the Super Mega Shotgun Supreme or whatever.
Super mega shotgun.
I forget what I.
Is it the one like the one shot thingy?
No, it's an anti-aircraft gun, and I can't remember what I called it before.
It's a baby.
It's a baby. That's all that matters.
No, I know what you're talking about.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't remember what I called it.
Right.
Yep, this is that map.
You just
Alright.
know it automatically.
Who dies first?